In today's video, you will learn how to repair corrupted video files using two simple methods. With these two methods, you can fix any kind of videos that are damaged or unplayable, and that is coming up. Okay, as you can see here, I have a video file on my desktop which is corrupted. When I try to open it, the media player gives this error message, see? And also, when I try to play this video on other plays such as VLC, watch what happens. See, the VLC player just freezes. Alright, our first method is using a video repair software. For this method to work, you need a Windows or a Mac computer, and after that, you need a software called Wondershare Repair It. You can get it from the link given in the video description below. So just click on try it free and install the software into your Windows or Mac computer. After installing it, open it up. Once opened, there you will have a lot of options that you can explore by yourselves. In order to repair your corrupted video, click on video repair option, then select start, click on add, select your corrupted video and click on open. Once the video is added, all you have to do is click on repair and then wait for this repairing process to complete. Once it's done, you can either save the video to your computer or you can preview it. Now the video is playing without any problem. In your case, if this software couldn't fix your corrupted video, then you can try advanced repair option. Since the software is already repaired my corrupted video, so I don't have to do that. Alright, now let me show you the second method. Our second method is repairing corrupted videos online. There are so many online services that you can use to fix your corrupted videos. But in this video, I'm going to use this one called Fordic Online Video Repair. Link will be given in the description below. Once you are here, click on upload video. Upload the video that is corrupted. Once uploaded, click on repair. After that, wait for this process to complete. Once the repairing process is completed, you will see this message. As you can see here, it says, "Congratulations, video repaired successfully." So just close it. And now you can preview your video by clicking on this play button. As you can see, this is the video which was corrupted before. And now it's playing without any problem. Okay, in order to save this video to your computer, just click on save. And it will be downloaded to your computer. So this is the video. As you can see, this video was unplayable before and now it's playing without any problem. See? So there you have it, guys. That is how you can repair corrupted video files using these two methods. Please let me know which one of these methods were helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. And also, if you learned something new from this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me. So thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.